Now, instead of worrying about NoFollow settings every time we make a post or add a link, we're going to install a simple plugin called Thirsty Affiliates that automates everything. Back in the post editor, click Save Draft in the top bar. Then click your site icon in the top left to go back to your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, go to Plugins and Add New Plugin. Search for Thirsty Affiliates. The one we're looking for is this one, Thirsty Affiliates, Affiliate Links, Link Branding, Link Tracking, and Marketing plugin. Install now, and then activate. Next, let's configure Thirsty Affiliates. You can skip this welcome window, and in the left side, go to Thirsty Affiliates and Settings. Then, in the left side, on the Thirsty Affiliates menu, click Link Appearance. Scroll down and set the Use NoFollow on Links to Yes. And then set Open Links in New Window to Yes. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now all of your affiliate links will automatically open in a new tab and be marked as NoFollow. Now let's add your first affiliate link. On the left side, go to Thirsty Affiliates, and then Add Affiliate Link. Under Title, enter the product name you intend to promote. Then paste your affiliate link in the destination URL. Next, add a product image. Ideally, you should use your own photo or a screenshot, or download an official image from the product site. Definitely avoid using competitor images so you avoid copyright issues. On the right side, under link categories, create a category like travel software or fitness tools, something generic like that. And then at the top right, click Save Link. Now this affiliate link is ready to use across your entire site, clean, branded, and SEO compliant.